we are in Sagrada de Familia in Barcelona. Currently, we're fixing the tower, the highest tower, but it's almost finished. We'll find the right angle for the picture.
Thanks so much. Ah, there it is.
Alright guys, we're walking to Bunker de Carmen. So we are on the way to Bunker del Carmen, the last stop of the day before we head home for dinner and go back to our hotel. So yes, Hill, no other choice but to walk. Otherwise, kailangan mo mag-Uber. Wow guys, look at that. Look at the view. Pa. Look at that. So this is it guys, the Bunker del Carmel. Ito yung pinaka highest point dito sa Barcelona City. Kita nyo naman yung view, kita talaga lahat hanggang sa dagat. Napakaganda.